Alright, EGA gang. Alright, man. So I'm fucking pissed. See how ugly that is?
What?
I'm at the bills, the grants. Shooting my shot like the rent. Hot like a sniper and hit through a plant. The money be piling up. Came out the dirt, bitch, I move like an ant. You niggas be mad as fuck. I flex on the record and do what you can. I'm running the game, I never get tired. These blues, they soak up my sweat. I don't want the fame, you niggas be liars. You're breaking your neck for the check. That bitch, she on me, I'm squeezing that booty like pliers. I feel like a tech. Catching these planes, I ball in New York. Catch me cross-side with the nets. Stay with my dogs, no pets. Hey,
What's up, YouTube? You know what it is, man. It's the king. You know what it is, man. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. That's the first 3 things I need y'all to do, man. Hit that bell, subscribe, man. Drop the notifications, man. Comment, whatever, man. Show me that you active. Let's get to it. First things first, you know what it is, man. King hoodies out now. Go ahead and plug my merch here below. Go ahead and shop t-shirts, hoodies, and sweatpants. It's getting cold outside. If you're a king or a queen, you gotta be in the gear, man. PJtheking.com. You know what it is. Okay, YouTube. The other day, man, my tire blew out. Major blew out. Thank God I didn't have a red. Nothing but a blessing. But I got the spare tire on the car now. Currently headed to Goodyear. I had to order the tire because it was a Continental Extreme Contact. It's like a $300-something tire just for one tire. It's a 275 45 19 for anybody that's worried about the setup. But don't worry about that because 19s are about to come off the car. Yeah, I have roll hazard on the Goodyear tire. We've been burning them up a little bit, but I'm not even gonna speed that into existence. It should just be straight. I got a good rapport with them. I'll take y'all to Goodyear and let y'all see what happens, but I should be good. If not, then I'm gonna just get a used tire and then just go spend money on a whole new set of new tires for a new setup. So yeah, more info on the way. I just wanted to update y'all. I'm currently in traffic right now. So yeah, I'm about to listen to some music. I ain't trying to get copywritten, so I'm gonna put the beat over it, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the traffic. I'm not speeding or nothing, cause I got a flat tire, but just showing you what Atlanta looks like at 8:45 in the morning. You dig? And it's dark. We got like a light forecast today. 5% windows, by the way, but it is still dark outside. It's not the most sunniest day, but yeah. You know what it is, the king.
Hey, skirt, hey, catch me in traffic. Not in the Hellcat, bitch, around too deep in a fucking 4-door caddy. Niggas want smoke, just drop me the pin. Matter of fact, just send me the addy. Bitch, I be ballin' no magic. They thought I fell off my horse with no wagon. Mad like a son with no daddy. Hating on me cause their pockets is lagging. Bitch, I been chasing the green bean. That shit turned into cabbage. I just got the pack across the airport. TSA didn't even check my baggage. I pull up like UPS. Fresh man late, I'm dropping the package. I'm having my way and stay in my lane. You niggas not causing no damage. Grand theft, the big body beans. Young nigga feel like I'm Lester. I hop out the toilet from shitting on niggas. They know that I flex like a wrestler. The pack I'm serving be hot. I'm getting the cheese and chips, no Chester. I'm having the foreign whips, the foreign hoes. Got a plug in Manchester. I jump on the scene, I'm flipping the packs from city to city gymnastics. Money be tall like Shaq. Pockets be stuffed, no space in my attic. I drop off a Wooty and catch me a play. Told me to dance like she Janet. I dip on the beat, they just ain't the addy. I gotta deliver.
Alright, EGA, we have successfully made it to the Goodyear. I'm about to take this tire warranty in there. I think they ordered the tire already, so it should be here in stock. I can see, like, I haven't washed it or anything since, I don't know why my bumper is coming out right here. That's crazy. What the fuck? Ugh. See how ugly that is? But I got the car is dirty. Look at that. Wash. to blow out real bad. Look at that. Crazy. But yeah, let's go see what they say.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, EGA gang. Alright, man. So I'm fucking pissed. Fucking said that I basically burned the tires up too much, so they're not gonna cover the tire.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So,
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I'm on the way to my boy Garcia. Finna slap me a tire on here, man. But then I gotta get the new setup on the car ASAP, cause that just pissed me the hell off. So I'll bring y'all back when I make it to Garcia. Alright, EGA gang, I had to come in here and set it up, but basically we are at my boy Garcia. He already got me right. Fuck my fire.
I gotta deliver a package. Not in the Hellcat, bitch, around too deep in a fucking 4-door caddy. Niggas want smoke, just drop me the pin. Matter of fact, just send me the addy. Bitch, I been ballin' no magic. They thought I fell off my horse with no wagon. Mad like a son with no daddy. Hating on me cause their pockets is lagging. Bitch, I been chasing the green thing. That shit turned into cash.